Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've decided to shoot a get ready with me kind of a video where I'll show you my go-to skincare and makeup routine, which is very minimal. I don't use a lot of different products because my skin is very sensitive and also my skin type is dry, and that's why I go back to the same products which I've been using. And my skincare products, actually doctor recommended it, so I won't recommend you guys to use the same if you are watching and if you plan to buy those things. So consult a doctor before that. And I have very minimal makeup products, so I'll show you that also. Along with that, we'll chat. So let's get started. I'll update you with what's going on in my life. Here, the first product is Physio Gel, which is mainly for dry and sensitive skin, and this was recommended by my dermatologist. So before using it, consult your doctor. And this one is not available here, so I asked my mom to send me few products, or if anyone goes to India, our relative or friends, so we asked them to bring few products for us. The parcel charges are very high. I mean, the first time I asked my mom to send, they couriered it through DHL, and we had to pay the custom tax here. So it was the same amount they spent there, and we again had to pay the same amount here. So it was a bad idea. Then we researched the next time, and there's another option, but it takes longer time to get delivered, like 20 days, 15 to 20 days. So we went for that option. So I have applied my moisturizer. This is the lip mask I use. It's the Laneige one, and I cannot live without this product. Last week I couldn't post any video because I wasn't well and I wasn't in a mood to shoot, and we had already planned our trip to our relative's place here in Netherlands. I'm applying my sunscreen, and it's Episoft AC. Again, my doctor suggested this, so it is only SPF 30. So as I was saying, so we had already planned to go to our relative's place. I didn't plan anything to vlog or anything because I didn't know if they were okay with it or not, but she was very open to it. So next time, whenever I go to their place or they come to our place, I'll vlog and show you guys who they are. And we had fun there always. Whenever I come back from a place, it feels like I'm leaving India and coming back to Netherlands. So yeah, sunscreen is done. I, on a daily basis, or even if I go somewhere, my minimal makeup routine doesn't involve foundation. I see my skin is that sensitive that even if I touch and do a little massage, it gets red, and it's not a good sign. Yeah, as I was saying, I don't use foundation for my go-to makeup routine. I use skin tint, and this is what I use. It's from the Rimmel London, Kind and Free, and I'm in the shade 210, Golden Beach. Its consistency is everything. And actually, I don't use brushes to apply skin tint or any kind of makeup. I do it with my fingers. I got a new pimple here. And nowadays, the pimple marks doesn't go away very quickly. It stays for 6 months or 3 months. And I have not applied any actives like niacinamide, or I don't know much about that, and I'm also scared to use any product without consulting a doctor on my skin, so I just leave it like that. So the base is done. I have been using this concealer from a very long time. LA Girl concealer, again in the shade, it's pure beige. And from my window I saw the cherry blossoms in the nearby garden, so last week we went there and I shot a reel. I think you guys would have already seen that. I'm so excited about spring and summer. This is my first tulip season here in the Netherlands, and Amsterdam is famous for that, so I'm excited for that. And also the summer. The sun sets at 10 o'clock here during the summer. I arrived here during the summer last year, and luckily just to set it up, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Compact. I generally don't do these unless I have to stay out for a longer period. Otherwise, I don't do this step. Next, I use this eyebrow pencil. It's from Etude House. Let me just shape it. So I recently got my eyebrows done after 8 months. I'm not a very experimental person when it comes to hair, skin. I don't color my hair. I haven't tried it yet. And also new products, trying a lot of different products. I'm not that kind of person. But I want to be, but I am scared. When I went to my relative's place, I got it done from a lady, and one Indian lady in their city. They do this in their home itself, so I went there. I have stopped applying eyeliner. I mean, I like the only mascara look better these days, so. And I use this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Okay. For my cheeks, I have this Earth Rhythms Lip Cheek Tint. Again using my fingers. It gives a nice shine plus a light tint. Okay. For my lips, I got this NYX lip pencil. So I'll line my lips. I have this fixing tint Etude House again. I use this very often, but should I go for a fat oil? I mean the NYX Fat oil. This is in the shade Newsfeed. I think I like it. I think that's it. I do only this basic makeup, skin tint, concealer, lip and cheek tint, eyebrows and mascara. That's it. Some days I like to do my eyes, like the smoky eye look, but majorly I do that from any Indian dress, when I'm wearing Indian dress. But on a daily basis I do only this makeup routine. I follow this. What do you guys think about this look? I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this look, let me know. If you guys like this look, let me know in the comments and tell me which product you guys are already using from these. And I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye.